everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to my workout video that I've just done. Not gonna lie, forgot to film a introduction. Did pre-film some stuff, so I'll show you that in a second. Do a voiceover because it's really windy here today. But yeah, sorry it's been forever. Just we've had some rain, then we had some rain, then we had some really cold days, then we had some rain. Then we had some rain. Yeah, so I think we've had a bit of rain, and I just have not wanted to get out here. So today is a brilliant 12 degrees, and I thought I better get out and do something because I need a video. I also want to get something done, but yeah, I'm kind of in that in between stage because I watch other people doing their gardening stuff right now, and they say they spend hours in the garden and then it rained and now all their beds are just soaking in water and it's a waste of time. So I'm kind of figuring I can waste my own time without having to plant everything and then find Mother Nature has destroyed it for me. So yeah, so you will see all the busy that I've done. Yeah, and I probably won't see you at the end because that's why I'm recording this now. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, encourage me on. I need it. Subscribe because you're not gonna want to miss. I'm just completely insane. So I know everyone's like, you should hire someone to do it, and I'm like, yep, probably should, but trying to be frugal. And you know what, it is a bit of a workout for me, so it's working well. All right, let's go. So welcome to the backyard. It's looking a lot better now that a lot of the garden beds have been moved and the grass has got an opportunity to grow back. I really need to pull this trampoline apart, and I'll probably get the scrap metal people to come and collect it because I tried to give it away on Facebook and Gumtree and nobody wanted it. So the scrap people said they would take it for free, but it is a charge if they have to dismantle it, so I will see if I can do it. So I'm just checking out all the work I still have to do. This used to be a beautiful flower area of plants, and now it's just a grave site of old containers and half dead plants. There's part of a geranium plant in there that apparently is, yeah, but look, I know how to grow weeds, so that is important. And I've got all the rubbish that's here that I still need to clean up. But as you can see, it's rained and rained and rained and then rained and then rained and rained. So all these weeds are here. I can't kind of see the forest through the trees, as they say. And there's all the weeds in between all the garden beds and stuff. I think I'm just going to get some cardboard and dump it all down there and dump some bark chips on top and then just try and snuff it all out that way, then worry about weeding. The grass is looking exceptionally well, which I'm super happy about. It's nearly time for a mow from our lawnmower man. We do hire someone to come and mow it because it just gives us one less thing to do. So support local. All right, let's get on with our day. Of course, because I'm like, do as I say, not as I do. I thought I'd actually have just a little bit of a dig around in this weeded area to see how easy some of them are to remove with all the rain. And while they did come up, I kind of figured after a few minutes this is too big of a job and I got other things to do. So yeah. But hey, I was thinking about doing it, so at least I did it for 2 minutes. As you can see, I know how to grow weeds beautifully. So these, the ones that have dirt in them, that's probably enough. Just waiting for good top quality soil, and I want to fill what I can with the garden beds today to see how much we get. There is some tree growing in the middle of, yeah, but as you see, I gave up. It's buried deep. I need to take an axe to it, but I figured it's not going to help me grow any food. I need to focus on filling the garden beds, so that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to kind of work our way from the back fence down, as they say. I'll just keep working around and around, and then eventually too, what I'm going to do is start filling the driveway up of all the rubbish and stuff. And then there's a company here in Adelaide called Cheaper Than a Skip, and I think I'm going to call them and get them just to come and then load everything up that's in the driveway into the skip and take it away. Oh, I had to have another go at that tree. It was driving me insane. And yeah, and then the wheelbarrow fell over a couple of times. So All that work is gone. And yes, I then eventually decided I was too hot, which was really good because it's 12 degrees. So I went inside and got changed in my best workout gear ever. No, these are actually my gardening clothes. So they have holes in the pants, but guess what? I'm not here to be the next celebrity gardener. So yeah, and yeah, then my wheelbarrow tipped over again. So more work. So enjoy me digging dirt, attempting to do weeding, attempting to fill garden beds, and yeah, this is my workout for the day.